Begin your assembly by gathering the light cords from inside the fountain basin. You'll need to connect these light cords to the 3-to-1 junction block, which should remain outside the fountain basin. Make sure you properly tighten these connections. You should also remove the twist tie, untangle, and straighten these light cords. Place the light cords back inside the basin to create what's known as a drip loop. Attach the tubing to the pump, noting the flow control dial at the front. The pump should be placed inside the basin at the very bottom. Check those light cords again. Be sure you've got a drip loop inside and that your 3-to-1 connector is outside of the unit. Connect the cord from the 3-to-1 junction block to the low voltage power transformer. Connect these power cords to a well-grounded outdoor receptacle.